Laguna Penta, the 13-kilometer trail that takes you across 5 peaks, 2 distinct landscapes, and the views of 7 lakes. The journey begins at Mount Kalisungan, where the trail immediately takes you into a 600-meter ascent to the peak, and then calm the views. From this high section of the trail, runners and hikers can take in the spectacular sight of the 7 San Pablo lakes scattered across the landscape below. On clear days, the horizon opens even farther, revealing some of the region's most iconic mountains, Mount Banahaw, Mount Cristobal, and Mount Makiling. From here, the route connects you to Mapula Peak, continuing toward Mount Atimla Peaks 1 and 2, each offering a woodland terrain. Curated only 4 months ago by local guides, this trail is a gem, yet to be tested by the hiking community. The route winds through peaceful woodlands and open grasslands, with every section revealing something new. The adventure continues toward Mount Mabilog, adding another minor summit to this incredible mountain-to-lake journey. But the best part comes at the end. After 13 kilometers of climbing, descending, woodland trails and open ridgelines, the route finally brings you down to the tranquil shores of Yambo Lake, which is part of the 7 lakes that are also volcano craters. From mountain peaks to forest trails, from grasslands to panoramic lake views, it's a new way to experience the mountains and lakes of Laguna. Laguna Penta, we just started. Okay, we were asked to turn off the lights because there's apparently a bug that chases the light. Anyway, we started too early, so we're purposely slowing it down. We should have started later. Otherwise, we'll reach the summit of Kalisungan while it's still dark. So you want to catch the sunrise. Approaching summit of Kalisungan. I think we rested for about 20 or 30 minutes. Now we're almost there. Still no sunlight, but it's coming. Okay, still early. The clouds are trying to say something. Hopefully the wind pushes it away, or else it will be rain. We'll wait for sunrise here. So it's a bit, well, it's not a bit, it's a spontaneous trip. We decided to just come here a few hours, so lack of sleep. We just heard about this. I just heard about this Laguna Penta because someone posted this, and then I asked the guy. His name's Nico Lucino. Shout out, thank you for giving us the beta for this. Almost 3 km in. Just waiting for the first light, and then we're gonna roll.
Glitter on the floor like a galaxy.
So there are a couple of other groups doing the Laguna Penta, all catching the sunrise before they do their own pace.
Spins backwards, or maybe it's stuck. Time's a trickster in a velvet tux. After the glow, where the wild things go, where the lights don't shine but the faces glow. Raise your glass to the chaos we know. It's the after, the after, the after the show. Mask tossed aside like old confetti. Secrets whispered over spilled spaghetti. The chandelier sways like a drunken star. Dancing shadows know who we are. Curtains close, but the stage still breathes. A symphony born in the shattered leaves. After the glow, where the wild
peak 2. Trail still needs cleaning. It's dense, very thorny, rattan and so on, but you see a lot of flora. But yeah, it's not entirely clean yet. Needs guardrails. You see guardrails, should put like steps or clean them, reduce the roots. If they can put ropes for the beginners, that would be better. But I'm glad to see it while it's still new. It's still quite raw. So once in a while you crouch. Gets a bit technical because of dents. See? And then lots of thorny plants. You want to rip your shirt. So if the thorn doesn't get you from the top, so get you from below. Yep, almost to the end point. FYI, according to the guide, hikers take about 8 to 12 hours, give or take. If you're really fit, you can do it like in 4 if you run fast, even 3.5 if you're like very very fit. Suggest if you're like fast enough, you can start at like maybe 4:30 or 5 at the latest, so you can catch the sunrise at the summit. But if you think you're just gonna take it easy, you're just gonna hike, probably start at 3 a.m.